Want to quickly invite people to your WhatsApp community? Instead of manually sending links, you can generate a QR code and share it effortlessly. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find and share your WhatsApp community QR code. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the Communities tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all the communities you manage or are part of. Next, select the community whose QR code you want to access. Once inside, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Community Info from the menu. Now scroll down and tap Invite. Here you'll see different ways to invite new members. Select QR code and WhatsApp will instantly generate a unique code for your community. You can now share this QR code with others, save it to your gallery, or even print it out for offline sharing. If you ever need to reset the invite, WhatsApp gives you the option to regenerate a new QR code anytime. With just a few taps, you can easily grow your WhatsApp community. If this guide helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WhatsApp tips.